So here we have the Humnu Universal Car Phone Holder Mount. This is a 4-in-1 long-on suction cup holder. It's capable of being attached to the dashboard, the windshield vent, and of course it can be suctioned to the glass. So this is compatible with iPhone 14, 14 Plus, 14 Pro, on down to 13, 12, 11. This iPhone I have here is an 11 with a pretty big protective case on it, and it fits just fine. It's also great with the Galaxy line of phones. This Galaxy is the S22. It's got no case, but my other Galaxy is the S20. It has a case and fits just fine. So you're good to go with a wider range. Check in the description of all the smartphones that this can be compatible with. So this gives the ideal viewing angle for me, which I like to have it mounted on the windshield in the left hand corner. This way I get a good vision and operate it with my hand easily. I like the fact that it has a nice length of retraction forward and back. It's very convenient with the telescoping arm, and one-handed operation is a breeze. And when you press the button on the holder to release the phone, it has a nice slow easy release. Secure it, you just squeeze it firmly on the phone and it's secure. The bottom mount is adjustable about 1 inch in range from up and down, and the suction cup is really super stable. This is one of the most powerful suction cups I've seen in phone holders and recently, and with the click of the button it's not going anywhere. Now the air vent clip is pretty impressive, but this one has a nice wide range. It's easily tunable to adjust almost any air vent clip, and once it's cinched down and tightened down, this thing is steady as a rock and is going nowhere. So this one is pretty impressive, and this is one of the great features of this kit. So of course it has multiple soft silicone pads on the phone mount to avoid scratching and to avoid noise and vibration, and this is what makes it great for most cars, pickups, SUVs, and taxis, and for professional drivers like Uber and Lyft. So I give this a thumbs up. I'll be using this in one of my vehicles, and for this price point you're getting a great deal and you should pick it up.